Robert, a little bit of underwear showing there. This is gorgeous bird. Gorgeous bird. And he likes, he just likes to do this. At a drop of a hat, it likes to be back in your hand, laying down. So you put your hand like this. Come on, do it, do it, do it. She'll just usually fall right back. Yeah, you let go of my fingers for a minute. Yeah. See a helicopter going over. She's doing real well considering never been out here before and there's a little bit of distraction going on. Baby. You're my baby. Are you the cutest? Are you the cutest little birdie? Are you the cutest birdie? Yeah, here. Of course, not many people have pockets this big, but whoopee pocket. Come out. Come out. Yeah. Cutie pie. Little cutie pie. Yes, you're the cutie. Are you in like a little nest right now? Yeah. Oh. Robert's gonna love this little birdie. Yes, he is. Gonna love this little birdie. There we go.